Hi guys, welcome back to Family and Fit, where we talk fitness and how to integrate it in your busy lifestyle. So today I am doing Poverty Meal Prep 005, and this is probably going to be one of the best poverty meal preps that I've made so far. Here, we're going to hop into it. Okay, so the chicken is on the cooker. It'll be cooking for about 2 hours right now. Then I'm going to shred the chicken up. The ingredients will be 3 cups of shredded chicken, 8 ounces of Fit and Active cream cheese. Yummy. You're going to add 1 cup of cheese, of the Kobe Jack cheese. Then you're going to add 1 cup of red hot original cayenne pepper sauce, 1 cup of that, an onion, a green pepper, some light sour cream. Okay, so some people use ranch dressing in this meal that I'm making today, and I will announce in a minute. 1 cup of ranch dressing. Well, I'm not going to use ranch dressing. I really don't even buy ranch dressing, so I don't have any ranch dressing to use. That's definitely not. I'm going to substitute it with some light sour cream. We should see how it tastes. In this poverty meal prep is low carb buffalo chicken dip. Here in about 2 hours, I'll get back to it. If you guys would like to see, or put down in the comments below what poverty meal preps you would like to see, and I can see if I can make them for you guys, right? That's what I'm here to do. Make things for you, show you some different meals you can do and lean meals. Hi, welcome back to Poverty Meal Prep. I did talk about it in the beginning, and now I'm going to talk about it now. I have prepared all the ingredients and everything. My low carb buffalo chicken dip. I haven't did this one yet, so this is new on the channel. Be sure to put down in the comments below if you like this meal prep or not. Thanks. Let's hop into it. Here I am. I'm just going to cut this onion up, and I'm going to cut the green pepper up, put them in a Tupperware bowl along, I don't know why it's the ass, I'm just kidding, with the 1/2 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of Kobe Jack cheese, 1/3 of red hot sauce. That's what I got in that. 8 ounces of cream cheese. Low fat cream cheese. The one that I always buy. So here we go. All the ingredients. Now I actually have them prepared for you guys. So here, you got a whole onion, a green whole bell pepper, you got sour cream, you got your hot sauce, Kobe Jack shredded cheese, and your chicken. Your cream cheese. So I do have cayenne pepper on this chicken right here because it is a low carb chicken buffalo dip. I'm gonna shred the cheese up. We're gonna put all the ingredients, and then we're gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper on it too to spice it up a little bit. So let's mix it up.
On the button. J-E on the button.
So I got all the ingredients in it. I got the cheese, the sour cream, I got the hot sauce, I got the bell peppers and onions, man. Mommy. And now I'm going to show you partial of the finished product because it's still got to go in the oven. Here it is. Here's the bottom of it. Oh, look at that chicken. Okay, we're gonna mix all the ingredients up. So guys, we're done mixing it. That's what it looks like. It's all mixed up. Yummy. We're gonna throw it in this baking pan.
J-E on the button. J-E on the button.
You guys can really eat it just out of this bowl. If you want more flavor, then you can cook it in the oven. I added the green peppers to add more volume to this meal. And you got your protein, you got your chicken, I'm just kidding. So you're gonna spread it out on this pan right here. Ooh, would you look at that? Look at that, it looks beautiful. So we're gonna throw this baby in the oven for about 20 minutes. And I will catch you in a bit.
Oh my god, I'm scared. Don't do that. Come over here.
No. So my low carb buffalo chicken dip just came out. Just came out of the oven. Here it is. Go check it out. Looks delicious. It's 183 calories. Get down in the description below. Hey guys, I am back. After eating dinner, the low carb buffalo chicken dip was really on point. I added up all the macros for the whole container. It's halfway gone. Stop, Tommy. For the whole container, it is at 1,197 calories. The carbs is 56 grams. The fat is 76 grams. And the protein is 66 grams. So, good on that. Could went a little bit down on the carb. I could have took some of it out, probably the cheese or something. The shredded cheese probably wasn't needed. It made the meal nice and good. So if you like this video, like, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos.